Hello, my name is Sharon Robson and I'm a consultant at SoftEd. Today I'm going to talk to you about how you can translate your strategy into action. What we often find in an organisation is that our strategy can be motherhood statements. They're aspirational and they're very difficult to translate into meaningful activities for our teams to use when they're using their decision-making skills. So when we start to think about our strategies, we can engage with you to talk about how you translate your strategy into an action plan. We work with you to help you refine or even define your strategy. Broadly speaking, 4 types of strategies tend to exist in the world. We're either in a remedial or catch-up mode where we're trying to catch up with our competitor or deal with disruption. We may be in a we need to fix some fundamental challenges mode where we're inward focused and we're looking at how we work and what we do. Other modes that we can look at is where we're trying to fill in the white spaces. We know we've got gaps in our market, we've got gaps in our product line, and we need to fill those in. Or we may be really focused on how we can revolutionize our organization, how we can change ourselves, how we can disrupt ourselves, and how we can be truly innovative. Now, each of those broad strategy stances need to have a different roadmap. First thing that we would do is work with you as an organisation to help you define which stance you wish to have. You can have all 4, but they're going to translate into different actions and different activities at different parts of your organisation. We will work with you to assess where you're at and help you define where you would like to go. But we're going to do that in the context of your organisation, of your marketplace, and using your knowledge. We actually help facilitate your emergence of this knowledge, and we collaborate with you to help you and your leadership teams quantify your strategy and then turn those strategies into action plans. An action plan is simply a roadmap of how we're going to go from here to the future. Roadmaps consist of very simple elements: start points, end points, the steps along the way, our key milestones, our decision points and inflection points. We can help you collate your thinking so that we're having a collaborative, emergent strategy that is also actionable. The other thing that we will help you do is figure out where you can build feedback loops into your roadmaps so you can see whether or not you are on track to deliver your strategy. We can help you decompose those roadmaps into proactive action plans, focusing on risk, understanding feedback, understanding how we will know that this is the right way for you to achieve your strategy. And we can also help you find out whether or not it is actually the right strategy for you. We're cognizant that any strategic change that you make is not a monodimensional change. We need to look at and consider the impact of a strategic change on the entirety of the organisation. So we'll work with you to catalogue and identify all of the elements in your operating model and then identify the changes on the roadmap that all of these elements need to make so that we don't end up tearing the organisation apart, but we move forward together with confidence into the future.